An easy-to-use guide to multiply numbers in Excel. Click a cell. Type equals sign into the cell. Enter the first number. Type asterisk after the first number. Enter the second number. Press Enter. Click a cell. Type equals sign into the cell. Type in another cell's name. Type asterisk. Type in a different cell's name. Press Enter. Click a cell. Type equals sign into the cell. Product. Open parenthesis. First cell's name. Type colon. Type in a different cell's name. Closed parenthesis. Press Enter.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.